Globally, the deployment of LTE today worldwide is becoming a reality. We are seeing it in US, in Japan, in Europe, becoming mainly for high broadband users. And today in Middle East, it's becoming also a reality because the frequencies are released by the governments. And we are seeing now almost 4 operators who are deploying LTEs, not only in FDD but also in TDD. And what is interesting, because we are seeing the two technologies coming through. And today Huawei is doing a pretty good market share there, because we are supplying almost all the operators here in Middle East, in Saudi Arabia, in Dubai and in other countries. So it's becoming a reality. Yes, it will be deployed in the coming years. Yeah, SingleRun Concept has been launched by Huawei since 3 or 4 years now. We have already 140 SingleRun networks working worldwide. It's all about integrating different technologies in the same system. Today we have GSM, UMTS and then LTE, and later on we will go for the LTE Advanced. It's clear that we need to find the solutions to reduce the cost for operators and to integrate all those technologies. So SingleRun is all about integrating multiple modes, multiple frequencies in one system, and giving the right tools to the operator to evolve for the broadband. Today, with the GSM and UMTS and evolution to LTE, operators have real issues to manage all those networks. So Huawei has launched the SingleRun concept, the single concept, let's say, with a single run and a single core a couple of years ago. And now we are establishing the single SON. It's mainly meant to reduce the OPEX for the operators. At the beginning, self-organizing network were mainly to focus on LTE, but today we are getting it to use it for GSM and UMTS and LTE at the same time, giving to the operators the possibility of operating all the network on the same system, GSM, UMTS and LTE at the same time. Heterogeneous network has nothing to do, let's say, with LTE or LTE Advanced. Heterogeneous network, it's mainly when we use small cells, when we use different layers of networks within the same system. And this is mainly used to solve the issue of capacity with hotspot. Today we know very well that 80% of the users are using within 20% of the site. So we need to solve this issue of capacity. And heterogeneous network is mainly used to have the small cell layers where we have pico, femto, micro, including macro cells to be coordinated between all those layers. This is about it. So it's not LTE, it can be used also for GSM, UMTS and LTE in the future. When I think 15 years ago, when we were talking about GSM acronyms, where God sent mobile, thanks God today we are not at the same position, because with LTE we can see that all the ecosystem is here. In Huawei we have already developed the chipset for the LTE dongles, and we are seeing that the network is going well. And mainly when we go to the machine-to-machine business, we are seeing that there is the full ecosystem here, and right chipsets vendors are at the right time to deploy those type of services.